Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channels, and today topic I would like to discuss with you about hunting stop loss and how does hunting stop loss work. Since all of you guys knew that in the market, if we are an option buyer or an option seller, whether we are a buyer or whether we are a seller, which means whether we going short or we going long in the market, we have to put a stop loss. Why we have to keep a stop loss? The reason is, if the market is going against us, then we will exit in a small loss as soon as possible, or else we might blow up our account if we don't keep a stop loss, because no one will be perfect, or no one will be 100% sure that market will go in their direction every single day or every single trade, right? So that's why as a traders, or even though as an investors, we used to put a stop loss so that we can limit our risks, and we will try to maximize our profit but minimize our losses. In case if the market goes against us, then we will lose only small amount of money, and if market is going in our direction, then we will make good amount of profit, right? So this stop loss, suppose now uh, you are a seller, right? Suppose now you short the market or you sell the market because you think that, or you hope that market will calm down, will keep on falling, so you sell the market and you will buy back at a cheaper rate once the market is falling like this. Suppose you sell now at the rate of 100 rupees, right? And then you feel that market will keep on going down and going down and going down up to 50 rupees. Then once you sell at the rate of 50 rupees and you buy back at the rate of 50 rupees, then you will make at least some amount of money, that is 50 rupees, right? And first you create a sell order, and then later on once you buy back, it became a buy order, right? So I'll show you in the real life market today also how did stop loss get hunted. See, you can see today, right after market open, as you can see that this big red candle, you know what, retail traders, after seeing this big red candle, they will short the market, they will sell the market because they think that the market will keep on falling from here, and they are planning to buy back in this area or in this area. So retail people, most of the time, they will wait for the first 5-minute candles, and after that, once they see big red candle, they will short the market because they think that it will keep on falling down. Then what happened to them today? After they short the market, what happened? These are the retail people who short the market. What happened? They sell right here. They are selling right here. Then what happened to them? The market goes against them and keep on going up. You know, this retail, they are selling over here, and then the market is going against them. So once they exit their position, it became a buy order. So once the buy order came, then they push the price on the upside. So guys, remember that right after market open, don't jump into the trade. Wait for the market first. Let the price action speak first. Then we will follow the market. I mean, experienced traders, they will never jump into the trade right after market open, especially for the first 15 minutes or 30 minutes. They will wait for the market first. But retail people, they cannot wait for the market because they think that they can predict each and every move in the market. They think that they know everything about the market. They think that they might miss the market. If they don't take trade right now, they think that they may miss the market if market is keep on falling down. They think that we won't get any more. But guys, remember that in the market, we will get one opportunity every day if we have patience enough. But retail people, they don't have right patience. But if they are facing losses, then they keep on waiting and keep on waiting and keep on waiting. They don't exit in a small loss, but they keep on waiting for the market. They keep on hoping for the market to came down again so that they can make money. But that will never be happen. And remember guys, once you are in loss, exit as soon as possible. You don't have to wait and keep on waiting. And you don't have to keep on praying for the market also to came down or to came in your direction or in your favor. But retail people, they don't understand this, they don't know this. But at least I'm trying to help, or I'm trying to share you guys with some of my experience that I have been going through or have been experienced before in the market once I'm a beginners, because I had commit this type of mistake before. So I don't want you guys also to face in the same situation like I did before, because before also I was like this type of retail people only, and at the end I blow up my account. So I will show you guys some more examples of hunting stop loss. See, as you can see that on this day also, what happened right after market open with a big green candle, retail people, they will go along, they will buy the market around here. They will think that the market will keep on going up. If they don't buy now, then they might miss the market. So retail people, they cannot wait for the market. Right after market, they will keep on buying because they think that the market will go up like this and like this and like this. So guys, you don't have to be a fool. If you don't get a chance to take trade today, don't worry, market is always there for you tomorrow. So at least please protect your capital first. Don't jump into the trade without high probability trade, or with how I means like without proper knowledge. And then see this, what happened to these people right after market open. Market is falling down, right? And these people, they suffer huge losses. But some of them, they keep on waiting. They pray for the market to come back at least at cost price or at least some amount of profit. But that will never be happened. And remember guys, when you are in small losses, exit as soon as possible. Okay, try to minimize your loss, but if the market is in your favor, or if the market is in your direction, then maximize that profit, right? And these people who are going long, these people who are going long, who are buying right after they seeing this big green candle, once their stop loss get hit, their buy quantity or the buy order will become a sell order. So that's why market is falling down. So I hope you guys understand this. How did hunting stop loss work? And wait, I'll show you some more examples of how did hunting stop loss work. Wait, I'll show you guys some more. But guys, you know that this type of hunting stop loss, yeah, as you can see in this day also, see these, yeah, right after market open with a big green candle, then follow up by a small chota green candle. These chota green candle, they are retail people only who are going along into the market, and they keep a stop loss around this area. I think what happened once their stop loss hit, market fall down, right? So guys, I means like you have to know some of the support or some of the resistance line before you take any trade, and how did, so that you can identify, is there only retail people are entering into the market, or is there any like experienced trader or big boys entering into the market? So without knowing from where the market will turn, or from where the market will fall, or from where the market will go up, then don't jump blindly into the trade just because you are seeing a green candle or a red candle. Don't jump into the trade. Identify first the market from which area or from where the market wants to go down or from where the market are going up, then you can take trade. And guys, I hope you understand this, and soon I will coming out with one video and I'm going to explain you about the strike price and which strike price you have to take, because lots of people are falling into this trap. They buy those option without knowing the strike price, which one is the right and which one is wrong. So they keep on buying blindly, and that is why they keep on facing huge losses. That's why I told you guys, better learn first the market and then earn later on. Don't be in a hurry to make money within few weeks or within few months of learning the market, because in stock markets it will take a lot of time, guys. It's like you are going to college only. Before you are getting a job, you have to spend at least 3 years in degree and then 2 years in master degree, and then you have to spend some years, maybe 1 or 2 years, to get a job. So some things in stock market also, you have to spend, you have to give times to the market first for at least 1 or 2 years. Then once you gain good experience or good knowledge from the market, then you will be able to make money. And don't think that you can make huge amount of money from the stock market if you are a beginners or if you are playing with huge amount of money, and that will never be happen. And no one will be 100% sure, 100% the market will know the market. I mean, it's like no one will be 100% sure who will catch each and every move of the market. So guys, don't think nor don't dream to become a billionaire within one night. You have to gain lots of knowledge first, you have to experience first, and then after that, time will tell you. Okay, good night guys.